So this is actually the main lobby. So papasok tayo, papunta dito sa main lobby, and then go through is actually the grand staircase going out of the main lobby itself. By the way, this Canyon Cove Hotel and Resort are actually located in Nasugbu, Batangas. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda? So love it. Refreshing and summer na summer. Ayan, so going down from the grand staircase, you will see like a small plaza na meron silang activity center kapag gabi. So meron fire dance, there like entertainment, and then sa ilalim ng grand staircase is actually located the main dining hall para sa mga guests. So kapag pumunta ka dyan, may kasama ng food, and yeah, makapag-lunch ka, makapag-breakfast and dinner. Kasi hindi naman pwede magdala ng food dyan. And ayan, pagbaba mo, pagdaan mo sa main plaza, makikita mo yung beach front ng resort, and then meron din silang pool na up to 5 feet. So hindi siya not suitable for diving, pero makapag-enjoy ka naman magpagtempesaw, and then merong part sa pool, area ng pool na malilim, meron hindi. So doon kami pumwesto sa may malilim kasi para hindi gawa naman kami mangitim, diba? Ayan, you will gonna enjoy the pool and also the beach itself. So ang ganda niya, and that's actually early in the morning. So, I know magtatanong kayo kung sino makakasama ko sa Canyon Cove. Basically, this is actually a company outing. Mga katrabaho ko, mga ka-office mate ko, kasama ko dito, tsaka syempre mga friends ko na rin. And this happened last February 1 up to Feb 2. Nag-overnight kami doon kasi nga party siya. And at the same time, enjoy the summer vibe kahit na medyo malamig. Okay, so next is party time. This actually happens a night before I shoot the entire video for the morning thing. Ayan, kasi hapon ako dumating ng Feb 1, and then ayun, diretso ako sa party. So dumating ako around 4 PM, and then pahinga konti. Party starts at 6 before the sunset. Ayun, happy lang, diba? So ayan, pauwi na ako from Canyon Cove going to Tagaytay, and bumaba ako sa Taytay and sumakay ako ng papuntang Bacoor. Okay, just enjoy!